potatoes, eggs. Potatoes, fried eggs, chicken sausage, rice, noodles, juice. Morning. We ate breakfast. We are now on the way. Well, grabbing coffee across the street. Now we're on the way to the hidden boat tour. Last day here, so we leave tonight. So we have to go to the airport at like 11. We are walking to the hidden boat tour, and it's basically scavenger hunt. And I wanna go on a train. Lord Jesus, somebody help me. And this is where we're going.
Buenos dias. Buenos dias, mi gente. You ready to do some hidden stuff? You ready?
I'm ready.
Honey, you ready?
Lego.
Dun, 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 dun.
It was a scavenger hunt to get here, and we had to pay extra for an English tour guide. See.
Yeah, these would be so cool. Look, you can actually get some.
That thing is huge.
We found a bigger than this. They can bigger than this.
And what are they called?
The monitor lizard. We never seen Jessie. That's what Robbie. The
big one is supposed to be there, but it's supposed to be painted. It's under that green thing. It's not supposed to be finished till next year. He's so sad. It's a green Buddha.
The biggest one in Bangkok,
man.
69 meter high, multi-meter length. The main material made from copper. 71 tons of copper produced.
71 tons of copper.
Of Bang Luang floating market is the old market, and
Oh wow, them things are huge.
it's a lot. Yeah, you can see the water is very low tide, that the people can walk across the canal. But now the water is up like here. So that's why. From the story, Rama's story is from India. The main character is Thai. And we go in this guy. The Chao Phraya River. Some people confuse between Mekong and Chao Phraya, the two famous rivers in Thailand. Chao Phraya will run through the
I just want y'all to know that this cream of corn croissant from 7-Eleven is bomb. We went to 7-Eleven because we're gonna get some tattoos. I got some snacks to take home. Okay, I'll be back soon. He's nervous. Don't be scared. Are you okay, Damien? You look like you fainted.
No, I'm good. You know, my elevator tour.
Hello guys, welcome to the bathroom elevator. It looked like it wasn't closed. So we have a vanity right here if you need to look at yourself and check your stuff. We have a hand sanitizer right here if you need to clean and freshen up. Right here we have some decor. And over here we have a full body mirror. Hey, pose.
I hope it opens when somebody sees you.
Mira la piscina. Dice
¿Qué?
at the pool. Wow. Why did I say here? This is fancy.
Oh, it's so cute, even though it's raining. We made it to Paradise Lost. Nice view.
Look, happy bite. You could get
Okay, again. I was about to be like, why are you using my water? Okay, it's to clean your hands. Ahora, lávate la mano, sucia. It's big.
These are better than the ones from Dollar Tree.
Oh, wow.
We have, what was this? What was this? This is something.
Lost Island.
Lost Island. This is Lost Island. We have a
Death to Earth.
death or something. We have a margarita. We got some peanuts and we got some Thai insects that Damien and Ritali are gonna try. You filthy animals. Alright, Damien.
Oh, man. That one looks like a real cricket.
You from the country, you got this.
Alright, so Tyler, you want to get one of each?
No, just take a handful. Take a spoonful.
Here we go.
How was it? Oh wow. What you think? Salted caramel? It was good? Which one y'all try? Okay, Janae, it's your turn.
our pants match perfectly. Is it good?
What happened?
It's a little bitter.
You ready to go home? Let's go home. We're going to Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Está lloviendo en Bangkok.